This is how you can fix your flashlight when it doesn't work on your iPhone. So at first, you want to make sure that your iPhone isn't hot, like it's not like too hot in terms of the temperature. Because if that is the case, some features like the camera or the flash may become unable to be used. Also, if you use camera for some different purposes, for example, in some of your apps, for whatever things that you are doing, then the flash might also be disabled system-wide. So when you swipe down to the control center, the toggle might be grayed out. So when you leave the app, stop using the camera for that app, then you should be able to return to the normal flash function. Then you should also check the actual camera, because when you open up the camera, you have the ability to set and enable flash for photos. So you might see if that is going to work, because perhaps the basic flash access from the control center may be disabled, but when you use it for your camera, perhaps you can see that it does work and that the fault is not in the hardware of your device. So yeah, try taking a flash photo to see if it makes any difference. After this, if you still cannot get it to work somehow, then you can restart the iPhone. A lot of times, a simple reset like this can bring back the basic functionality, which for whatever reason just stopped working. Also, try checking if you don't have any software update ready, because this again can be fixed through a iOS update. So if you still don't get it to work and you just cannot enable the flashlight or anything like that, then it is possible that the fault is in the actual hardware, like in the LED light. So if that is the case, consider bringing your iPhone to the Apple Store or an authorized service and let them check to see if they can do anything with it. But let me know below in the comments if you managed to fix it, or at least if you found some suggestion useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.